Hi guys, my name is Widya Lestari Lamatengo. In this video, I will explain inorganic chemistry practicum. Practicum title is Synthesis of Manganese 6 and Manganese 3 compounds. Objective is student can synthesize compounds of manganese 6 and manganese 3. Manganese is a natural occurring element that is found in rock, soil, and water. It is ubiquitous in the environment and comprises about 0.1% of the Earth's crust. Manganese is first member of group 7 and period 4 of the periodic table. Manganese is a pinkish gray chemical active element. It is a hard metal and is very brittle. It is hard to melt but easily oxidates. Manganese is reactive when pure, and as powder it will burn in oxygen. It reacts with water and dissolves in dilute acid. And its concentration in earth crust reaches as high as 0.098%. It is widely distributed in soil, water, sediment, and biological materials. Next method, experimental tools is dropper drops, test tube, rocks and test tubes, beaker, measuring cup, analytical balance, a watch glass, stir bar, spatula, funnel, and Erlenmeyer flask. Next experimental materials is aqueous, H2SO4, KMNO4, MnO2, NaOH, and MnSO4. Next experimental work scheme, synthesis of manganese 6. Firstly start and reacting 10 ml 0.01 molar KMNO4 with 5 ml of H2SO4 1 molar, and add a bit of MnO2 is then beaten and do the filtering. Next, black residue and filtrate is purple, and finish. Next, synthesis of manganese 6 with base. Firstly start and reacting 10 ml 0.01 molar KMNO4 with 5 ml of NaOH 2 molar, add a bit of MnO2 is then beaten and do the filtering. Yellow residue and filtrate is dark green, and finish. Next, synthesis of manganese 3. Firstly start and weighing 0.5 grams of MnSO4, reacting with 2 ml of 1 molar H2SO4, dispense and 10 drops of concrete H2SO4, chill in cold water, and add 5 drops of KMNO4 0.1 molar, mixing in aqueous 50 ml and absorb the changes that occur, and the solution changes color to brown, and finish. Next result. Treatment 1. Synthesis of manganese 6. Test type. Mix 5 ml 0.01 molar KMNO4 with 5 ml 1 molar H2SO4 and add a little MnO2, then shake it and filter. Next, test type 2. Mix 5 ml 0.01 molar KMNO4 with 5 ml, add a little MnO2, shake it, filter the solution. Observation: the color of the solution turn purple, and the color of the solution become dark purple, and there is a black precipitate. The solution turns purple. The solution turns, and the color of the solution becomes purple, and the color of the solution is deep purple, and the color of the solution becomes green. Treatment 2. Synthesis of manganese 3. Weigh 0.5 grams of MnSO4, then react with 2 ml of H2SO4, add 10 drops of concreted H2SO4, cool with cold water, add 5 drops of 0.1 molar KMnO4, mixing 50 ml aqueous, and observe the change that occur. Observation and solution becomes clear, solution becomes cold and clear, and the color of solution turns brown, and solution turns brown. Next discussion. Manganese 6, simply known as ion manganate, MnO4, to mean really green. It formed on MnO2 oxidation in KOH molten KNO3 or air circuitry, and ion manganese trioxide obtained by electrolytic or persulfide oxide solution of Mn2+ or by reduction MnO4-. 2.1 Synthesis of manganese compound 6. The synthesis of compounds manganese 6 involves reacting KMnO4 solution 10 ml each with H2SO4 solution 1 molar and NaOH 2 molar 5 ml. Then add a bit of Mn2, then soft and filtering the result obtained from the test tube, which is reacted with an acid and that is sulfuric acid. Does not appear to change color at time of screening, where the color of solution is still purple while the test tube to an alkaline solution at the time of the screening process looks filtered purge green. This making the manganese compound 6 can only be done in alkaline condition. And by using the electrode potential, it can be determined with her manganese compound 6 can be repaired by reacting manganese 7 and manganese 4 in an acid solution, anode and cathode. Next, in the manufacture of manganese compounds 6 in alkali solution produce the same color with the color before mixing in dark purple. By using the electrolytic potential, it can be determined with her manganese compound 6 can be repaired by reaction manganese 7 and manganese 4 in alkaline solution, anode and cathode. And reaction to produce manganese compound 6 is allowed in alkali solution. This is because the electrode potential in alkali solution is smaller than its acid solution. And to synthesis of compounds manganese 3, in the preparation of compounds of manganese 3 was performed using MnSO4 as much as 0.5 grams solids were then treated with H2SO4 1 molar 2 ml, then add about 10 drops of concreted H2SO4, which serve to create an atmosphere in manganese alkaline. Then add 5 drops KMnO4 5 ml and put into 50 ml of distilled water. The result obtained in this experiment are brown colored solution, which can be identified that solution is a compound of manganese 3. By using the electrolytic potential, it can be determined whether the compound of manganese 3 can be prepared by reaction manganese 2 and manganese 4 in alkaline solution. Next, the reaction to form compounds of manganese 3 is more likely in acid solution. This is because the price of the electrolytic potential in acid solution is smaller than in alkaline solution. The smaller the electrolytic potential price, the greater the reaction may take place. By increasing the concentration of H+ or Mn2+ will increase the likelihood of the preparation of compounds of manganese 3, and by increasing the concentration of OH- will not increase the likelihood of the preparation of compounds of manganese 3, for compounds of manganese 3 can not be made in an alkaline solution. Next, conclusion. From the result of the lab, it can be concluded or for making manganese 6 marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to green. It shows a positive reaction from the formation of manganese 6. The experiment of making manganese 3 marked by the presence of clear color change to pink showed a positive reaction from the formation of manganese 3. The two formation reactions that occur are in state of alkaline solution. Experiment of making manganese 6 and manganese 3 compounds. It is known that the solution is stable in the manufacture of manganese 6 compounds and solution is unstable in manufacture of manganese 3 compounds. Thank you for watching.